2019 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost, front wheel drive, climate control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.